Out and about again this morning with my colleague Matt on the GX Roadshow, catching up with our key council clients. And one thing I'm seeing as a reoccurring discussion is been around inclusivity at parks. Being able to bring a park to an area that can include all abilities, all disabilities, ages, gender, etc. Been a big discussion point.
Absolutely, and also some good points today. Early morning, hitting the road was about universal design, and whether it's product suite, colours, profile shapes and sizes, just making the logistics streamlined with maintenance and moving forward an easy solution for the whole team to specify and repair. So let's get on with it, and let's have a great morning, and let's hit the road.
Sounds good.
See you out there.